Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is time for another live cooking show here on the Get Nourished with Renata Facebook group. And I have some very special guests here with me today.
Hi. Hi.
Olivia and Dean. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are making what you guys voted for, which was the Fig Newton protein balls. These are a really simple recipe to make. Hey Brad, how's it going? And it's super easy, super simple, and the kids love to do it. Hi Lisa. Okay guys, so we are starting off with a little food processor, and that's what we're going to use to make these little protein balls. And obviously, since it's called Fig Newton protein balls, we're going to start with some figs. So these are just some mission figs that I have soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes and then drained it. And the only thing that I want to show you is that at the top of the fig, they have a stem, more than likely. Hi, Cassie. They have a little stem, which we're going to remove because we don't want to blend that up. But then, guys, you want to help me put these into the little food processor? So this is about...
They're warm.
Yeah, they're warm from the warm water. So this is about 1 cup of figs. Yeah, it's okay. We're going to wipe our hands afterwards. Yep.
Mama, can I wipe my hands now?
Yep, go wipe your hands. There's a towel over there. So about a cup. There you go. Pour it all the way in. Okay. Now, you can also do this in a Vitamix. Hey, Randy. Okay, so Randy's asking actually a really great question. Are figs different than dates? Yes, they are. They have a very similar texture and flavor, so they're very sweet fruits when they're dried.
I think they dropped to the bottom.
Yeah, but they are different. Mission figs are these particular ones. There are actually lots of different kinds of figs, just like there's a few different kinds of dates, but they will give you basically the same...
Mama, I think someone...
Yeah, just a minute. They will give you basically the same kind of consistency after they've been blended. So there's a lot of protein bar or protein bowl recipes that use dates, and this is just like a little twist on it by using these figs. So yeah, so there is a difference, and that is not a silly question, that's a great question. Okay, so we've put our figs into our little mini food processor, and we're gonna put the lid on. Okay, now this part's going to be a little bit loud, so avert your ears. Ready? And we're just going to blend it. We're going to pulse it until it forms like a sticky ball or a paste inside of the food processor, okay?
Can I do it?
Okay, you're going to push that button. Go. Can you do it? Good. Keep going. Hi, Eddie. Good. Very good.
Can I do it now?
Okay, let's let Dean have a turn now. So you're going to push this button right here. Squeeze. Push, push, push. Oh, there you go. Good job. Excellent. Okay, that's good. That's good. So now we've got a little bit of a paste of fig happening in here.
Let's see.
Let me show you. So you can kind of see it's getting broken up into little pieces, creating a bit of a paste. We will. We're going to do it in just a minute. But we have to add something else that's going to give the protein balls more texture and flavor. And we have
please add the almonds in.
Yeah, let's let brother add them in, okay? This is 1/2 cup of almonds. You could use literally any kind of nuts you like. Cashews would be really good. Whatever you may have on hand. But the reason that we're adding this in is we have the sticky the sticky fig texture. And we want to add like more of a crunch in there with the almonds. They're raw almonds, they're not salted at all. Thank you, bud. Just give me 1 second. And yeah, that's going to just help to bind everything together. Okay? So ready?
Can
One.
I do it after Dean?
After Dean. Ready? Go. Keep going. Yeah.
I have to use my thumb.
Yeah, go. Okay, Olivia's turn. Go. Okay. So I think what we're going to have to do is do this a little bit more. Please put your hands down now. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do actually is something a little bit different. So because we're using such a little food processor, I'm actually going to have to take out some of the mixture, which happens sometimes, because I'm not getting the almonds crushed up as much as I would like. So I'm actually going to take half of the mixture out, and we'll just continue to blend up the almonds a little bit more, just with this, ouch, that hurt.
Sorry.
Okay, please watch out, okay? So, like with everything, watch where your fingers are. So, what we want to do is just crush up the almonds so they're in little pieces. It's okay, bud. Okay, let me do it, please, okay? Thank you. Okay, so that's looking much better. Hi, Angela. How's it going?
It sounds like a storm. It looks like a storm, but it's brown.
So as you can kind of see here, let me just show you a little bit. It's starting to stick together. Whoops, starting to stick together, and you're seeing like little bits of
Hi, Angelo.
little bits of almonds in there. So now I'm going to add in the rest that we had taken out previously, and we're just going to put the lid back on, and once again, just pulse it. We'll turn it on until. Hold on. You need to wait, okay?
May I please do it after Sissy?
Yes, but you have to wait because we have to get the lid on properly. Okay, there we go. Okay, now Olivia, it's your turn. Go ahead. There you go. Okay, now. So I want to point out one thing that's happening. It's starting to form a ball, and that's a really good sign to show that everything's starting to clump together. Okay, go ahead. Now we're going to add in the protein part of the protein balls, and we're going to be using some vanilla. Sorry, someone called me. So that we can use whatever kind of protein powder brand you may have, but vanilla is really what's going to give you that Fig Newton kind of flavor. Okay? Yep, just a minute. So we're going to measure out. Hold on one second. You're going to get a turn each, but you have to listen, okay? Okay, so we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon. So Olivia, you add that in here.
Ooh, there's something here.
Good, and now Dean, you're gonna add in the next tablespoon.
Really
so we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons, okay? Okay, so Dean, you add that in. And then depending on how wet the batter is, the protein bowl batter is, just wait, thank you. We may need to add some more. And every single protein powder is different. So some of them absorb more moisture. Just a minute, I'm talking, okay? So every single protein powder is different. Some of them absorb a lot of liquid. Thank you. And some of them do not. So really it depends on what you're using. It can also sometimes depend on like how much water was left over in your figs after you drain them. So that's just something else to keep in mind, okay? So let me do this part, okay?
So this could be scary?
No, because I want to just pulse it, which means we're going to do like little short bursts of the blender being on, okay? Really good.
It's little.
Yeah, so the pieces got really little. And as you can see, we're getting the protein powder mixed in. Now, another thing that you can do is you could turn this out into a bowl, and you can just use a spoon to mix everything together. So I'm just going to take the blades out, which is really important so you don't get hurt. And I'm just going to use a spoon to finish mixing everything in. Yeah, and when we're done, we're going to eat it. So we are just, thank you, bud. We're just gonna keep mixing this all together. And just make sure you don't have little clumps of protein powder or anything like that. Thank you, Olivia, very good. Okay, so this is looking really good. And the consistency we're looking for is if you were to pick up some of it, just like we did before, it would stick together in your fingers. So yeah, that's what we have. And so we're ready to roll the balls. So we're gonna get about a tablespoon. Let me show you first, okay?
Then can we do it?
Yes, then you can do it.
I know how to do it.
So you're going to get a spoonful.
What's that?
Yeah. You're going to squish it in between your fingers. Try to pay attention so you know what to do, okay, to create the ball. And then you're going to roll it in your hand to get a smooth surface on the ball. And that's it. You have your little Fig Newton protein balls. And then we're going to have a little container here that Olivia's holding. Hold it up. And we're just going to store these in the fridge.
My turn.
Yeah, you can put it down now. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to store these in the fridge for about a week. Usually they will be gone before then, so that's always good. There you go. Just squish it together. Okay, good.
Now what do I do?
Yeah, just squish it all together, and then you're going to roll it in your hands to make a ball like you do with Play-Doh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So this should make about 8 pretty large. It's okay, just squish it together. It will stay together if you squish it. There you go. Really push hard. Make sure your hands stay over the table. There you go. So there you have it. These are my really easy Fig Newton protein balls. Super delicious. I love the flavor of the figs. It tastes just like the filling of Fig Newtons. And then just adding the vanilla protein powder.
I can't do it.
Okay, I can do it.
It's not good.
Adding the protein powder, particularly because it's the vanilla flavor, gives you that feeling like you're eating a baked good, because you know normally baked goods have vanilla in it. So yeah, that is what we have going on today, and these are just a really quick and easy snack that you can make with the kiddos or just for yourself if you want to. And it's an awesome thing to have like at 3 o'clock when everyone gets like really hungry and needs something a little bit, hold on bud, needs something a little bit sweet and don't want to necessarily fall off the healthy eating bandwagon and have a candy bar. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you, bud. Oops, sorry, bud. You okay? Yeah, they look good, huh? Awesome. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, thank you, Annie. She said, those look amazing. I can't wait to try them. Thank you so much. So once again, the measurements were a cup of figs that have been,
Mama?
just a minute, I'm talking. That have been soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes, and then you drain them. And then it's a half a cup of raw almonds and about 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder. Thank you, Randy. Randy said they're so easy. They are. They're very, very easy. And so that's what I love about them, because you don't have to spend a lot of time making them, and they just use 3 ingredients. So, and then like Randy mentioned earlier, you could definitely use dates instead of figs if that's all you can find. That would be awesome too. So yeah, that's all we have for today, guys. I hope you're having a great Thursday. Yeah, we are looking forward to the weekend. Anyone else?
I'm looking forward for my taekwondo test.
Oh yes, so the kids actually have a taekwondo test tomorrow. So it's going to be their first taekwondo belt test. So wish them luck. They've been practicing, so hopefully it will go very well. And let's see, what else are we doing? Oh, also guys, if you haven't checked out the latest YouTube video, the kids are making an appearance in that too. They make a couple of very easy breakfast recipes. Did you like the YouTube video this morning?
Yes.
Yes. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. They're really easy breakfast recipes, and the kids actually really did make them themselves, so they did a really good job. But anyway, I think it's time to say goodbye. Hope you have a great day, and we will talk to you again soon. You want to say bye, Olivia? Say bye. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. We'll see you later.